Hello everyone, good evening. I hope you all are doing fabulous by the grace of Almighty in your day-to-day life. In this video, I'm going to tell you how you can give your self-introduction in the effective way. As this is the question of many of the job seekers who are still having puzzled and doubt when it comes to giving the self-introduction. But after watching this video, you are not going to get the same kind of the doubt afterwards. So before I proceed ahead, I would like you to be the attentive listener so that any of the things will not be missed by you, whatever will be told by me. Let's get started. Now, few things you need to mind on when it comes to giving the self introduction. First, you have to always start with the greeting. It gives the good impression on the audience as well as listener, whoever will be around you, whether there is a single person or more than that. Then after, you have to tell your name. But most of the people, they make the mistake, they make blunder when it comes to telling their name. They always start with the myself. That is incorrect in grammar as well as spoken. So always avoid using when it comes to telling the name with myself. You can simply say I am, my name is, like that. Then after, you have to tell your place, what place you come from. Then after, you have to tell your qualification, that what kind of degree that you have completed and what you are currently doing. And when it comes to telling your qualification, don't forget to tell your university name, like where did it complete from and in which year. So you have to also mention this thing when it comes to telling your qualification. After that, you have to tell your goal. Why I'm saying goal is also the best part of our life. As you know that our life is incomplete without purpose. If you don't have any purpose, how your life would be? Can you imagine? So whether you are a student, you are a working professional, you are a normal guy, everybody has the dream, the purpose of living. So you have to tell, as a student, you would be dreaming of getting a good rank. As a job seeker, you would be dreaming to get a good job. So this could be your dream. So you can tell. After that, you have to tell your hobby. As you know that hobby is also as significant as dream. In our life, in our day-to-day busiest life, we do something to entertain ourselves also. Like we must do. Some people entertain themselves while listening to songs. Some people entertain themselves while scrolling the pages on the social media. Some people love cooking. So these are the things come under the hobbies. After that, you can tell your strength and weakness. As you know that everybody has the strength and weakness. There is no single person who would be without strength and weakness. So you have to also tell this one. Afterwards, you can tell your family background, that how many members are there, what do they do. Means you have to tell their occupation also. Now let me start with my self introduction. Hello everyone, I am Saloni. Basically, I am a native of Bihar but currently staying in Maharashtra, Pune for approximately 2 years. I have pursued my Bachelor of Commerce with the specialization of account from Veer Kunwar Singh Ara University, Patna. It got completed at the end of 2023. If I talk about side by side, I am holding the experience of 2 years in like English training. And my hobbies, I love exploring people when it comes to upskilling myself. So this is my one of the hobbies that I love doing, and I am fond of doing also. And now if I talk about the strength, I am quite focused as well as self-assured when it comes to doing the things. I give my 100% best, whatever it is, whether it is cooking, whether it is teaching, it is studying, it is like roaming. I give my 100% best. so that I can get the best outcome. So this is my strength. And my weakness, I I always get along with the people after a meeting, and it considers me a lot of things, means it gives me a lot of things. By leaps and bounds I get together with the unknown people. So this is my weakness. And when it comes to my family background, there are 9 members in my family: my grandparents, my parents, as well as my siblings. My grandfather was an English teacher, but currently he has dedicated himself towards the nature. My father is a driver. My mother and grandmother both are homemakers. And when it comes to my siblings, basically I have 4 siblings, excluding me, 3 sisters as well as 1 brother. My first sister, she got married and she is blessed with 2 children. One is a baby boy, another is a baby girl. My second sister is pursuing the Bachelor of Science with the specialization of bio from same university as I did it. And my third sister who is pursuing the arts, and my brother who studies in 9th standard. So that's all about my family. So like this you can introduce yourself. This will be the best, and I hope that you have learned something from this video, and keep on practicing and keep on improving yourself. Bye bye, take care, see you soon, and let's meet in the next video.